Welcome. In this video, we shall look into how to do data entry using Microsoft Excel. My name is Abdullahi Okoyemi Falade. If you have your data set just like we have here on the screen, and you want to add more data to it, instead of typing one after the other, instead of you typing like 00889, typing male, female. So you can do that using a shortcut, Alt DO. The shortcut, Alt DO. So when you click on the Alt DO, you press the Alt key and DO. So it's going to show you what you have there. And you can see we have the employee ID, the first one, which is what is here. So if I want to add new one, I'll just click on new and I'll put the ID. Let's say 00897. The gender, male. The age description, I can make it a baby boomer. The location, I can take it to be Lagos. And the salary, so let's say 234567. And you can see that the last data is on this row 13. So once I press new, that one will be updated. Can you see that? So the 14th one is the one which I've just entered. So I can still continue to add more and more and more. This is how to add numbers, how to add data in Microsoft Excel for data entry. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.